You see the bottle, cold and black, but there is a stroll out of sight from the start. Deep in the line where machine and people shine. Long truck in the morning light, bring sugar. Green and white water purely refined with care. Every drop prepared light there. Step inside the tanks so wide, where secret of dust resides. Swilling makes a perfect brain forest. Dancing never end. Same clothes, refill glows, liquid lash as it follows. Through the pipe, fast vibrating what you are about to see. Bottle line it up side by side, fill it with a sparkler and lock it inside the cupboard in the spirit ceiling. In second fast moment made designed to last. Rubber with perfect in each one calling the name, packed in box, packed in high, ready now to say goodbye. Machine moving, never slow, checking equality as they go. Every piece is verified. Nothing here is left to hide. Loaded it like begin it low, heading out to every soul, city light or countryside. It's really fine. You fog and white. Now you hold it in your hand from closest truly branded every sip. A journey toward more than just a drink you hold.